Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with the Smart Ea Incubator.com and welcome to another weekly analysis video. In this video, we are going to go over EURUSD, GBPUSD, NAS100 and gold, and I want to break it down for you on a 4-hour and daily time frame because there's no use. I'm a scalper. So I trade on a 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame, but there's no point to analyze the whole market for the whole week on a 5-minute time frame or a 15-minute time frame. So that's why I want to break it down on a 4-hour time frame right now for 4 different pairs, and these are the ones that I mainly focus on. And I highly recommend you not to focus on more than 4 pairs. A lot of people say 1, absolutely good, but focus on 2, 3 max, 1 session and 1 time frame. If you stick to your plan, you'll become a profitable trader, I guarantee you. So let's go for EURUSD first. Let's start with EURUSD, guys. As you can see, we had a huge spike towards upside after last week. If you remember last week when I recorded a video for my weekly analysis, I said that EURUSD is creating lower lows and lower highs, and it's dropping crazy because of these breakout structures. It's crazy. Now this week, it literally changed its trends, and it's not really clear because, as you can see, we don't have so many higher highs and higher lows, but because of this huge spike, we know that EURUSD is definitely changing its trend and it's going towards upside. But if you zoom out, you see that you still have liquidity right here that is still not tapped into. So it means that sellers have their stop loss around this level, and this price is trying to reach this level to stop out every single seller. And also we have this liquidity right here. We have liquidity right here. We don't have liquidity here anymore, but if I want to zoom out, I gotta go super far. But these are the important areas that the price has to reach in order to grab all the liquidity and stop out buyers and sellers who put their stop losses around this area. But as you can see, these 2 bullish engulfing candles have been crazy, guys. So it means definitely the market is definitely bullish. However, if you use your Fibonacci level and draw it from the top all the way to the from the bottom all the way to the top, you see we have a golden zone right here. So it means we have so many gaps around this area from here to here, and it has to be filled in. It has to be filled in. And there's no point, but we don't know when. I'm not saying that next week the price is going to drop to this level. It probably does, but I don't know. Maybe it goes a little bit higher, it stop out. Oh, actually, sorry. This is already grabbed. If you look at this candle right here, you see that this shadow already stopped out all these sellers right here. So there's no liquidity here. See? Let me just remove this Fibonacci. Can you see, guys? From here. See this shadow here? So it means that everybody got stopped out from this level. So we don't have any liquidity here. So the next liquidity we have is right here and right here. But we don't know. Maybe we are gonna have a breakout structure after this level, and then the price comes back around this level, or we don't know what's going to happen. And but if I want to use my Fibonacci, you see we have this golden zone here, so the price probably come back to this level, and then it gives us a good momentum. Then we can take our long buy position, and this is what our plan is. Right now we're not going to do anything, but we know that the trend is bullish. It's trying to create higher highs and higher lows. We have a really beautiful golden zone around here. It's a very beautiful chart. It's a clean chart. There's nothing wrong here. Or the second thing that might happen is this breakout structure right here. Okay, this breakout structure right here might be a good one, but we still don't know. So this is for EURUSD. In my opinion, we're gonna have a little bit of correction for this week, for the next 2 days, for the first 2 days, and then after that we're gonna see a bullish trend right after that, if you have this breakout structure here. Because if you pay attention, you see that we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here, we have liquidity all over the place that has to tapped in, and this price is going to do that for us. So this is for EURUSD. Let's go for GBPUSD, guys. This GBPUSD is a really good one. GBPUSD is almost the same as EURUSD. We have this strong breakout structure right here, and we have this breakout structure right here, but we still have liquidity here, we still have liquidity here, so the highs are still left. We have liquidity right here. This liquidity is already grabbed, so that's why I'm saying it's a breakout structure. But if I want to draw this support level, you see that this support level has been broken into. So maybe the price is still trying to come down further to stop out all these buyers right here, because this support level has been broken and we have a very strong resistance level here as well. So right now the price is kind of indecisive, but the overall trend is bullish, because the trend can literally tell you that we have a bullish trend and we had correction right here, and now it's trying to revamp and go further up because of this breakout structure here. Maybe it's trying to create higher highs and higher lows, and we have this huge drop from here to here because of NFP. So that's a very high chance that the price is trying to go up again right after grabbing this liquidity, but we still don't know, because as I said, we have a really good resistance level here as well on a 4-hour time frame. And if I want to use my Fibonacci level, it's going to be here to here. So if the price wants to literally come down further and stop out all these buyers and liquidate everyone, there's a high chance the price reaches this level, this golden zone, and then drop significantly, or it's just going to literally go up and grab all this liquidity around this area. So we have this one, we have this one, and we have this one right here. See, these are really important zones that you need to pay attention to, and the reason is that, you know, because it's very obvious that we have buyers and sellers around this area. If we can identify these zones, the highest zone, the highest points, the lowest points, where people put their stop loss around, everything's going to be much easier for you. Beside that, you can also identify high probability and low probability order blocks. So if you pay attention to my videos, you'll notice that recently I started using Fibonacci way more in my trading, and the reason is that you're not going to find a high probability order block all the time, or it makes you wait longer. But if you can use Fibonacci with order block, why not doing that? And also, I'm not saying that it has to be combined with order block strategy, but Fibonacci itself could be a really profitable strategy if you use it properly on a right time frame. If you use many confluences on a different time frames, everything is going to be much easier for you. So that's what I'm saying. I mean, if the price is trying to go further down, this Fibonacci level could be a really good one because of this breakout structure. So it means that, you know, the market is bearish right now. It probably does a little bit of correction until this golden zone, give us a momentum, boom, drop, or it just goes up and grab all this liquidity here. We'll see what happens. I have a, you know, live trading session every single day, you know, that I put out on my channel. So we'll see how we can trade it. It's a 4-hour time frame, guys. I always trade on 5 minutes and 15 minutes, but the structure of the market is very important on a higher time frames. So this is for GBPUSD. Let's go to NAS100. NAS100 is a really good one on 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have a bearish trend. It's very clear that we have a bearish trend from here to here. And let me just draw it from the highest points, and then I show you that we have this breakout structure here. See this breakout structure here, this breakout structure, correction, and now it's just consolidating around this area. However, we have this important support level as well that is just wicked out. So it means that it's just constantly stopping out all the buyers who took their position here. Everybody's stopped out. So in my opinion, there's a chance that the price is going up after stopping out all these buyers, because, you know, it liquidates everyone and then it changes the direction of the market. This is how banks and institutions work. And we have liquidity right here. Right now we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here, we have liquidity all over the place that the price can just reach. We have liquidity here. There's so much liquidity around this area. But based on the trend right now, in my opinion, the price, again, after NFP, all this kind of stuff, the price in most pairs is trying to create higher highs and higher lows and change the direction of the market, and this is one of them. Because if you pay attention to this high, you'll notice that before this break of the structure, we had a very strong resistance level, which is now our support level. So the price literally broke into this resistance level, reversed a little bit, did a little bit of correction, and tapped into this zone, and we have this strong bullish candle here that literally the buyers push the price towards upside, and right after that everybody got stopped out, because this week stopped out all these buyers who took their long position above this candle, and that's how the market works. And that's what I'm saying, it might be a liquidity grab, it might be a trap, it might be a stop hunt that the price just try to grab all the liquidity and then go up. We'll see what happens, but in my opinion this is the case for 1 hour. Let's see to 1 hour. Yeah, it's not really clear right now, but I can literally see that this bullish engulfing candle made every buyer take their position, and then they got stopped out. So probably now the price is trying to go up after grabbing the money, or it just can go further down and liquidate every buyer around this area. But you know, this is an indices, so indices are usually uptrend. But for NAS100 it's kind of different right now. It used to be super uptrend, but after, you know, since December 30th, the price is just going down, creating lower lows and lower highs because of the news and fundamental. And now, because of the fundamental news, the price is trying to create lower lows and lower highs. But after this breakout structure, we can see a very good momentum that the price is trying to go up again. This is my opinion. Again, we'll see what happens after like Monday, because this is where you can usually see what's going to happen to the price. Okay, let's do gold very quick, guys. I want to see what's going on right here. I'm gonna remove everything. Gold is kind of choppy right now. But again, this drop happened literally because of NFP, and it literally affected everything. But if I want to show you a high probability and low probability order block, I can't find around this area, but I can certainly say we have a huge gap right here that needs to be filled in. This gap, this huge gap needs to be filled in, and that's why if you pay attention and if you zoom in, you see that price is trying to create higher highs and higher lows. So it means it's trying to go up and fill in this gap and probably liquidate everyone around this area here and here, right here. And you can clearly see this is a higher highs and higher lows. The price is constantly creating higher highs and higher lows. It's a very important thing to consider, because you can predict the direction of the market after such a move. So, but in general, you know, gold is kind of fluctuating. You know, you can't certainly say that it's uptrend or downtrend because of this. You know, if I want to use this rectangle, it's exactly inside the rectangle. It's going up and down, up and down. But the robot is performing really well, guys. If you don't know what Gold Ea Incubator is, you can check out all my videos. I always talk about Gold Ea Incubator, and I show you the performance literally live, and my FX book link is literally down in the description. You can check it out yourself and see how the robot is performing. We literally installed it less than a month ago, and it gave us 7% gain. It also traded during NFP. It traded during NFP, and it gave us 7% profit, not in one day, in total in the last month, 7% profit. So let's go for yeah, this is for gold, guys. In my opinion, we still have this liquidity right here, but and this Fibonacci is a really good one. See, if I draw my Fibonacci from the bottom all the way to the top, right before the correction, you see that this price literally tapped into the 70% zone, and the buyers rejected the price towards upside. And it's a very good indicator. So it means that this price, this area from 50% to 60% is getting respected. So, and this is our zone all the way from here. These are the important ones, but our golden zone is between 50% 60%, which is already broken into. But this is what is actually respected. So it's not closed below this rectangle. And that's what I'm saying. If you want to take a buy position, you have to wait to break this high here, and then you wait for a correction, and then you take your buy position. Not right now. But I'm just saying that this is a really good indicator. The price is trying to go up based on these higher highs and higher lows. But again, we'll see what happens during the live trading session, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video and I go live for our live trading session, you'll get notified super fast, and you can get so much value from the analysis that I do based on smart money concepts, trading strategy, and a Fibonacci retracement. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you have any question regarding my analysis and Gold Ea Incubator, drop your comments below this video. And don't forget to check out my FX book results. It's exactly in the description. You can check it out, and if you want to grab it, go to smartincubator.com, grab your license, send us an email, and we'll manually activate your account. Thank you so much. I hope you have a profitable week. I'll see you soon.